As you asked for a more advanced type of stair, in this video we are going to learn how to create a 3-flight staircase. But before we dive in, if you're new to Revit, make sure to check out this detailed video first, as it covers almost everything you need to know about the stairs. So without further ado, let's jump into Revit. We're going to use two different methods for creating this type of stair, so let's start with easier one. Click on a stair, and from this part, select the type of stair that you want. I'm going to go with monolithic stair. Now make sure this automatic landing is unchecked. Change the run width if you want. I'm going to put it on 2 meter. We don't need any offset, and the location line on run center. As this desired number shows, we are going to have 23 steps. So I'm going to create half of this number, maybe 11 or 12 steps for one side, and then continue with the other side. Make sure the stair is on straight, and then start from one side like this. 11 or 12 is enough. Okay, now I am going to click on this mirror, select the stair, enter, and then create it like this for the other side. Now we have 2 flights from number 1 to 12, and for the rest of the stair I'm going to click on this straight again, and then I'm going to change this run width to 3 meter, change the offset to like 30 centimeter. Change the location line from center to left so we can create it simply like this. Now I'm going to move this stair closer, and now if we go to 3D view, we will have 3 flights like this. Now to connect them together with a landing, we're going to use this option. So you just need to click on this part and then this one, and they will join simply like this. You can hit finish, and the staircase now is complete. If you look at it from section, maybe this one, you can see that it's not attached to this level. To fix it, you need to select the stair and go to edit stairs. In here, first select the flight, this one maybe, and then uncheck this end with riser. Now you need to just match this desired number with actual number. So I'm going to put this on 22, and now you can see that it's perfectly attached to this level. Now the other way of creating this type of stairs is kind of a mix between the straight type and the sketch. So for this I have created these lines before. If you want to see the real image, it's this one. I just saw this on Pinterest, so we're going to model it. To create this type of stair, first I thought that we can use a sketch easily and model it perfectly. Then when I was modeling it, I felt that there's a problem with the sketch path. So in this part, we can create a sketch path from this part to here, and another one to this part, and then to here. But for the other side, I think we can't use the sketch path. I'm not sure if it was the main reason or there was any other problem, but we are going to still use this sketch. To start, go to stair, and then make sure the automatic landing is off. Put the location line on center, and then change the actual run width to 2 meter. Now I'm going to create a straight stair from this part to here. Then I'm going to select it and click on this convert so we can use a sketch for this. Then I'm going to click on this edit sketch, and now I can just simply select these lines instead of these steps and easily create the model that I want. For boundaries, I'm going to select these two, so we don't need these boundaries. I'm going to delete them, and also these risers. Then for the riser, I'm going to use pick lines, and then I'm going to click on all of these lines simply like this. And for the stair path, I'm going to make sure it's attached to all of these steps. Then I'm going to trim these parts, boundaries and the stairs like this, and then we can hit finish. Perfect. If we go to 3D view, we can see something like this. Now for the next part, we're going to use this straight again, but from this part to here. Select it and then click on convert and go to edit sketch. Again, we are going to use this pick line and click on all of these boundaries and also all of the risers. Make sure all of the stairs are attached to the boundary line, then extend the stair path exactly like this. Now you can hit finish. Let's go to 3D view, and I think we need to flip it. This is the right direction and path, but we need to move this one down and move this one up like this. Perfect. Now let's go to floor plan and we can again mirror it for the other side. I'm going to use this line and then create one for the other part too. Okay, and now it's time for a landing. As we created for the other stair, we're going to just simply click on this part and then click on these two flights, and it will create the landing for this part simply like this. We don't need this one, so I'm going to delete it, and then we can just simply click on it and convert it so we can use the edit sketch, and then we can go to this part and delete these lines and do our boundaries. So I'm going to use this start end radius from this part to here. Okay, then I'm going to use this pick line and click on here, and then again I will use the start end radius for creating a radius for this part, something like this. Now I'm going to select it and again mirror it for the other side, and we can hit finish. This is the staircase, and if I click on finish again, we can see all of the railings too. This is a super unique and welcoming staircase. To turn it into something even more special, you can add threads, risers, nosing, and also you can change the baluster. A classic baluster suits the best for this type of a staircase. If you want to learn how to create one, you can watch this video in here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.